You may replace the blades without dismounting the cutting deck. However, this exchange is much easier if you dismount the deck, placing it upside down on a workbench. Park your tractor on an even surface. Engage and lock the parking brake. Lower the deck. Disconnect the belt tension wire cable in the middle of the deck, as shown. Take care, the cable is spring-loaded. Hold it with a firm grip. Remove the belt from the front pulley. Then unfasten the front locking spring and lift off the bar. Unfasten the base locking springs on both sides and then the rear deck locking springs. Pull out the deck on the left-hand side of the tractor. When this is halfway removed, unfasten the spring of the belt tension cable to release the deck. Place the deck upside down on a workbench and release the blade bolts. The blade should be reground and sharpened by a professional workshop, or be replaced with a new blade. Before remounting the blade, ensure that the blade fastening bolt is in good condition. If this is worn or damaged, it should be replaced. Check that the text on the blade is facing downwards. Mount the screws and secure them tightly.